Meron silang siguro mga 2, 3 pages about mental health. So, I started reading. Alam mo yung parang, so may mga like panic disorder, mga anxiety disorder, ganyan, depression. Alam mo pag binabasa, may parang tick, 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 parang nagtitik lahat ng boxes. Sabi ko, okay, sabi ko, do I have this? Then, I have a friend that time in the US who was taking psychology. And then, sabi niya, so I called her. Sabi ko, okay, I'm going through this right now. So sinabi ko sa kanya, lahat ng episodes, lahat. Sabi niya, Ice, I think it's better if you talk to a professional about it. Sabi niya gano'n. Sino kakausapin kong professional? Alam mo ba? Di ba? I mean, ngayon, ang dami, swerte ng mga tao ngayon. Lahat, hindi ko talaga alam saan ako pupunta. So again, tinawagan ko yung pulmonologist ko. Sabi ko, Doc, may mare-refer ka ba? Sabi ko, this is what I'm going through right now. Sino pong pwede kong kausapin? So, nag-refer siya sa akin ng psychiatrist. Child psychiatrist pa yun. As in, yung pagpunta ko doon sa clinic niya, alam mo yung ibang klase experience. Like, yung mga katabi mo, yung parang lahat sila talaga meron ng iba. I mean, mga batang, as in ganun. So parang, tama ba yung pinuntahan ko? Andito na ba ako sa levels na to? Parang hindi naman, pero, as in, ganon. So sabi ko, so upo ako. And then, finally, tinawag na ako. So, I had my first sit down with the psychiatrist. Tapos, for the meantime, nag-prescribe siya ng meds sa akin for anxiety. Kasi nga, hindi na ako nakakatulog eh. I really lost weight that time. Tapos, after a few conversations with her, that's when she diagnosed me. Yun nga, I have depression and anxiety disorder.